About a drunk driving accident in this edition of The Law in You. Joining us tonight, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath, who is here for Ed tonight. Guys, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
All right, our question tonight involves a really complex scenario involving a drunk driver. Sarah in Plymouth says, I was recently hit by a drunk driver. Thankfully, I'm doing all right, but I did have a concussion and some stitches on my chin. I have limited tort insurance and have been told that I have no ability to bring a lawsuit because of this. I'm confused and I need to know my options. What can Sarah in Plymouth do here?
Sarah, frankly, the laws in Pennsylvania are pretty confusing in that regard. Limited tort insurance can prevent you in some circumstances from pursuing a claim for the pain and suffering that you experienced during an accident. However, there are some defined exceptions to that rule, one of them being if you're in an accident involving a drunk driver. We would recommend reaching out to an attorney at your earliest convenience and making sure that your rights are protected, because when you're in an accident caused by a drunk driver, regardless of the type of coverage that you have, you're going to be able to pursue a claim for damages.
Yeah, and the other thing too is with a drunk driver, you're looking at a couple different, there could be different actions, maybe against a bar. There's a whole bunch of things that could come into play with drunk drivers, so it's important for you to reach out to an attorney. The other exception is, which may or may not come into her case, it was the scarring. She had stitches on her chin, so under the law, scarring disfigurement can sometimes get you over the limited tort threshold too. So again, car accidents, work injuries, you need to pick up the phone, talk to a lawyer, because if you're dealing with the insurance company on your own, you're dealing with a very skilled adjuster who knows how to play the game, and you got to balance the scales out. You got to have a team of lawyers out there trying to help you make sure you get whatever you need and take the right steps legally.
And those that would like to talk to you for legal advice, how can they reach you?
Call us 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web, 714hurt.com.
You can also find us on social media, Facebook and Twitter.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. Guys, have a good night.
Thanks, Dave.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.